Okay, blender heads, today we have the Turelar Immersion Blender handheld corded hand blenders set, 1100 watt, trigger variable speed, 5-in-1 stick emulsifier with chopper, whisk, and frother for soup, baby food, and smoothies from Turelar store. Ooh, heavy duty body right there with the plug on it. This is the attachment for blendage. Wow, wow. There we have the, you know what that is? User manual, whisk, little whisker, big whisker, frother, whisker. I don't even know her. She's my sister. And a big old plastic cup that has measurements for up to 600 milliliter and 20 fluid ounces on the side. And this attachment piece. Okay, plug it in and that snaps right on there, really easy. You got buttons up here. Whoa! Okay. So you hold it down to make it go. So we have this in here, and okay, washed this out. Let's throw one of these little oranges in there. Put the top on. Top locks in place. And put the power thing in there. Oh, very quick, very smooth. I mean, nothing to it really. Fast and very smooth. Smooth operation. Not a lot of shake, but very effective. So that's pretty good. Immersion Blender, handheld corded hand blender set, 1100 watt, trigger variable speed, 5-in-1 stick. Oh, so blended.